This is my third attempt, and we're gonna see, maybe we'll fit Eliza's turn into this one too.
Yeah, because neither of us can make it in.
Because this time
I made it in off camera, but yeah. Okay, off the backboard. Okay.
I'm gonna fit in maybe 3 tries. What? Okay, it's Eliza's turn now. He has 3 tries, and then it'll be back to me. Hopefully we can get this all in one video. It's a red ball. Go for it. Short. Oh, that was high. I'm throwing it way too high now. Hit the post. Short. No practice. Fine, you get 1 practice, but it doesn't count if it makes it in. Oh my. Go there. Okay, it's my turn now. Throw the phone. Okay, we have to do this quick. Come on. Throw it. Just throw it. Ah, nope. Watch me throw the ball. "30 seconds left." "40 seconds. Okay, see you next try.